Learning German is actually very simple. First, you memorize 300 random words, download two apps, watch one video about German grammar, and somehow end up questioning every life decision you have ever made. And then tell yourself, I will start again on Monday. But here's the real problem. You don't need more German words. You need a system that turns the German you hear and read into sentence you can actually use. So in this video, I will show you a simple three-step system. Listen, read, and rebuild. So one German sentence can become 10 sentences of your own. And this is where most German learners get stuck. They don't actually have a motivation problem. They don't even have a vocabulary problem. They know words. They know gehen, essen, heute, Freund, Schule, maybe even Entschuldigung if they survive the beginner phase. But then they try to say a normal sentence like, today I'm going to meet my friend. And suddenly their brain opens 17 tabs, overheats, and crashes because the words are there, but they are not connected. You learn game, but not how to use it in real sentence. You learn Freund, but not how to say you are meeting a friend. You learned heute, but not where it actually goes when German starts doing German things. And that's the problem with random studying. You watch a lesson here, save a vocabulary list there, take a screenshot of an Instagram post you will absolutely never look at again. And after a few weeks, you don't have a system. You just have a pile of German. And a pile is not a system, it's just German with no instructions. What you need is a way to take the German you already hear and read, pull useful sentence patterns out of it, and rebuild them into your own sentence. That's the whole idea of the system. So, step one, listen.
No, God!
And I know that sounds obvious because every language teacher on the earth has told you, listen more, just like a magic spell. No, but listening doesn't mean opening a random German podcast made for doctors, lawyers, or people who understand taxes, hearing three familiar words and call it immersion. At this stage, you are not listening to prove that you are fluent. You are listening to collect sentence shapes. That's mean you need a German that is easy enough for your level. Not baby German, but also not a 45-minute documentary about the German economy. Because at that point, you are not learning German, you are just being punished with subtitles. A good rule is this: if you understand everything, it's too easy. If you understand nothing, it's too hard. If you understand some word, some sentence, and you can guess the rest of the context, that's the sweet spot. For example, if you hear Ich gehe heute nach Hause, don't just translate it and move on. Listen to the rhythm. Ich gehe heute nach Hause. You are not only learning words, you are learning how a normal German sentence feels. And this matters because later, when you want to make your own sentence, your brain needs something to copy. It needs a pattern. So instead of trying to carry German from nothing, you start by hearing useful sentence again and again and again until they stop sounding like a random pieces and start sounding like something you can actually use. That's step one. Focus listening to simple German sentence you can actually follow. But listening alone is not enough.
Wait a minute!
Because sometimes German sounds like one very long word wearing quote. So after you hear the sentence, you need to see it. So step two, read. Reading is where German starts to become less mysterious because now you can actually see what your ears were trying to survive. When you read the sentence, you can notice the words, the order, the small details, and all tiny German things that appear when someone speaks too fast. For example, when you hear Ich gehe heute nach Hause, ja, auf jeden Fall, maybe it sounds simple, but when you read it, you start seeing the structure. Now your brain is not just hearing noise, it seems a pattern. And this is why beginner-friendly reading is so powerful. You don't need to read a German novel where the first sentence is 3 pages long
2,000 years later.
and somehow still has the verb at the end. You need short stories, simple sentence, clear topics, questions, Useful words, something your brain can actually use without failing a compliment. You can use any beginner text for this. A short story, a simple dialogue, or a beginner-friendly reading book. If you want something ready, I made a PDF with 100 short German stories for beginners. Each story comes with simple questions and most important words, so you are not just reading random German and hoping something magical to happen. You can listen, read, answer question, collect useful sentence, and actually understand what you are learning. But important thing is this: don't just read to finish the text. Read to finish sentence you can steal. And yes, I said steal.
Tiki-Taka, ich beschmiere mich mit Kaka. Schon 5-mal Klasse.
Because language learning is basically legal stealing with better pronunciation. When you find a sentence like Ich möchte heute zu Hause bleiben, don't just say, nice sentence, and move on like a normal person. Stop, look at it. Because inside that one sentence, there is a pattern you can reuse. Ich möchte heute zu Hause bleiben. And once you can see the pattern, you are ready for the most important step. Step 3. Rebuild. This is the step most learners skip. They listen to German, they read German, they understand the sentence. Then they close the video and somehow expect their brain to turn into a German sentence factory overnight. And that's not how brains work, unfortunately. If you want to build German sentence, you have to take the sentence part and rebuild it. For example, let's take this sentence. Ich möchte heute zu Hause bleiben. I would like to stay at home today. Most beginners look at this sentence and think, okay, I understand it. Good. But understanding it is only the beginning. Now you need to steal the pattern. Ich möchte. That chunk alone is already powerful. Because now you can say, ich möchte Deutsch lernen, ich möchte einen Kaffee trinken, ich möchte meine Freunde treffen, ich möchte heute zu Hause bleiben, ich möchte morgen ins Kino gehen. You didn't learn 5 completely new sentences. You learned one pattern and changed the ending. And this is how German start feeling easier, because instead of creating every sentence from zero, you are using sentence pattern that already exist. You can do the same with Ich gehe heute nach Hause, take that chunk and rebuild it. Ich gehe heute zur Schule, ich gehe heute ins Restaurant, ich gehe heute zum Arzt, ich gehe heute in den Park, ich gehe heute nicht nach Hause. One sentence become 5. And if you change the time, it becomes even more. Ich gehe morgen zur Schule, ich gehe am Samstag ins Restaurant, ich gehe später nach Hause. Now you are not memorizing random words anymore, you are building German. And to take this easier, I made a free Notion template for this exact system. It's basically a place where you take a sentence, pull out the useful chunk, change a few words, and create your own sentence without starting at a blank page like it probably offended you. The template has sections for topics like daily routine, free time, food, travel, school, work, and simple conversations. So instead of thinking, what should I write today, which is how most study session die, you just choose a topic, take a chunk and rebuild it. And when something is reusable, you don't need a motivation every time to study. You just need to follow the system. Listen to the sentence, read the sentence, rebuild the sentence. That's it. That's how you turn German input into German sentence you can actually use. So here's your homework. And don't worry, it's not German homework, so nobody is legally allowed to traumatize you. Take one German sentence today, not 20, not a full textbook, not a 47-minute grammar video that makes you question reality. Just one sentence. Listen to it, read it, steal the useful chunk. Then rebuild it into 3 new sentences. For example, use this chunk, ich möchte, and write your own sentence in the comments. Ich möchte Deutsch lernen, ich möchte mehr sprechen, ich möchte endlich verstehen, warum German do this. And remember, you don't need to memorize every German word. You need to collect patterns. Because one word gives you one word, but one good chunk can gives you 10 sentences. So listen, read, and rebuild. And if the system helped you, subscribe for more simple German lessons that don't require suffering, panic, or pretending you understand German grammar at 2 a.m. Ciao!